Hey guys, how are you? I am back with another DIY for you. So I've been having problems with this al fresco. This is the outdoor area of our house that we seldom use, and it's becoming like a storage for all our rubbish. So I've been convincing my daughter to get out of her room and started using this outdoor area for us her like a reading nook. So I've decided to cover the alfresco and make it like a space for her to read. So I've used the oak look floor vinyl tiles from Kmart. Each pack contains 8 sheets of vinyl tiles, and for this space, the whole space, I've used 13 packs of that floor vinyl tiles. So at the back of the tile, it's got a paper and it's got that sticky thing as well. So when you peel the paper, it comes with that sticky thing. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, you just have to make sure that the floor is free from any dirt, dust, or debris. So I have to vacuum it every time I lay each of the tile, just to make sure that it'll attach, because it's not a smooth surface. My floor is not a smooth surface. It's an exposed aggregate. So that's an extra challenge for me. But otherwise, it's fine. I even asked my daughter to do it for me, and she was able to do it. So that's the completed floor. And yeah, I really enjoyed how it turned out. I just can't wait to get the day bed so that I can complete this area and make it her reading nook area. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, and if you do like this video, consider giving it the thumbs up. And if you want to see how I turn this into a reading nook area for my daughter, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to that, so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, guys, stay safe and God bless. Bye.